Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2015 Toyota Venza XLE all-wheel drive. This one is in the magnetic gray metallic exterior with the gray leather interior. Coming down here to our wheels, we are riding on the 20-inch 5-spoke wheels. Then coming around back, you do have your dual outlet exhaust as well as your XLE all-wheel drive badging. And then coming in, we do have our smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. And foot on the brake, button to start. This one does have 46,583 in terms of mileage. So we'll sit down our key and we will check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we do have the 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. It is going to be the 2GR FE unit that's used in many of the Toyota products. It's going to produce 268 horsepower, 246 foot-pounds of torque, all going to all four wheels through Toyota's all-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. And coming back in, we do have that light gray leather interior on this model. It does have contrast black piping around the seats that do look nice. Fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar down below, and that is going to be connected to your 2-person memory over here on the door. Nice padded and leather stitched armrest with your all automatic windows. Power locks, power mirrors over here on the dash, power folding feature as well, with your power trunk and traction control off. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather wrapped wheel. We have our audio controls as well as our Bluetooth over here with our voice commands. Cruise control on a separate stalk. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as your high beams and blinkers. Then over on the right, it's variable inner and speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Now up top in your line of sight, you do have a driver information system that's controlled via the buttons right here. It also does show your climate controls. And then below that, we do have our audio system. As far as sources go, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. And then going home, we do have a split screen view that you can customize in your settings, 2-panel or 3-panel, and you can choose what you want each panel to be. Going to our navigation, it is going to be a full-fledged head unit with HD traffic. Destination input can be an address, a point of interest, or 6 different presets down below right there. Then going to your apps right here, you'd have your traffic, weather, eco monitor, and stuff like that. Below that, dual zone auto climate control with your driver and front passenger. Press your passenger temperature to sync them together. You also do have your fan speed and your zones right here. And again, all of that is mimicked up top on your screen. You have your heated front seats. And then you also do have your 6-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera on your audio screen. Nice little phone holder right here as well as right here. 2 cup holders, and then this center console is very configurable. So right here you do have your USB and auxiliary audio inputs. Huge storage well, and you can slide this forward, open this up to reveal another storage cubby. That does slide and adjust. Glove box, all your owner's manuals down in there. Auto dimming rearview mirror with compass up top. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with map lights as well as garage home link and some sunglass storage. And so that's about it for the front seat. We'll go ahead and check out the rear now. And then coming back here, you do have that same gray leather interior with the contrast black piping. All your door panel follows through as well with your padded and stitched armrest, automatic window, and door storage. Front seat 7x5'9" driving frame, plenty of knee room, plenty of footroom down below for me to stretch out. You have your dual seat mount pockets right here, as well as some rear AC vents. Over here to my right, also do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders underneath your lid, adjustable rear headrest. You do have some map lights up top as well as damped cornering handles and coat hooks on either side. So really roomy accommodations back here in the second row. A nice view of the dash right there. We'll check out the cargo area and then we'll wrap up our video. Coming around back, to open up your hatch, there's a button inside as well as a button on your key. So just press and hold that and it will chime and open right up. Now as you can see, behind your 60/40 folding rear seats, you have plenty of room, but you can drop those for added versatility. We also do have our tonneau cover right here. You do have your front floor mats, and then underneath your cargo floor, we'll take a look. You also do have your temporary spare tire and jack. Easy access to fold down those rear seats also on either side. You have a 12-volt outlet over there and illumination. Trunk right there. We'll close that up. And that about concludes the video of the 2015 Venza XLE all-wheel drive. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.